Hello, I'm going to talk about increasing IT efficiency by using Microsoft System Center Service Manager 2012 and System Center Orchestrator 2012. Service Manager provides us with a self-service portal that allows users to make their own requests to IT services. Orchestrator provides us with the back-end Runbook Automation to automate those service requests as much as possible. We're going to start out by looking at our HR service offering. And again, we can specify that only HR staff are able to see this and to click on it and to make these requests. Once I click in, I want to offboard the user. I'm going to go to the request form, and you're going to see that I have the names of my employees in my company. I'm going to go through and I have a terminated employee. So I can click on that. I can select the type of offboard he was. Was he fired or resigned? And then I also specify if I want to wipe the device. These additional options for me allow me to do different things within my Runbook automation, my IT automation on the back end. So if I say that I want to wipe the device, I can actually go through and automatically wipe the device within 2 minutes of this service request being initiated. So I'll say yes to that. I get a summary of my selection and I submit. I get my service request ID, and if I click on it, or I can send it to the HR person that this is your request. And the nice thing about this is I have a pseudo order system, which means I can find out where it's at in the process. This can also increase IT efficiency because you have users that are not calling your service desk when they need to know the status of a service request. So now that you see how easy it is for an HR staff member to put in a self-service offboarding request, we're going to briefly look behind the covers a little bit and see how easy it is to build the process. And Service Manager provides us a graphical way to build out our process. It's very easy to put in different types of activities, make them parallel or dependent on each other, and anytime throughout the process, the owners of those activities need to mark them completed, or we cannot get to the next step, and thus the service request cannot be fully completed. So this prevents a lot of things from slipping through the cracks and allows you to build up your customer service initiatives as a result of these types of activities. So now let's focus on that top activity, which is called a Runbook activity. System Center Service Manager integrates in with Orchestrator to provide that automation piece that most other products cannot provide you. What we're going to do here is we're going to take some of those manual tasks that the IT staff might be doing right now, and we're going to automate that. That's going to dramatically increase efficiency within the IT group. And what you're going to notice about Orchestrator is, again, the graphical way to map out your process through these drag and drop activities. Microsoft, as well as other third-party vendors, have been producing what we call integration packs for Orchestrator. So we're able to choose from a selection of integration packs that we would like to drag and drop onto this interface. If there's a time where you don't see an activity that you can drag and drop, you can always script it either through PowerShell, C# or VB.NET and provide that extensible functionality that you require for your environment. So that concludes this small demo about how to increase your IT efficiency. Thank you for your time and have a great day.